Chapter 26. I've been off the meds for a few days now, which I know is good, but I'm still feeling so down. Except for Fiona, the calls have stopped, and Kelly and her friends have found a new place to hang out. I spend a lot of time noticing how my purple paisley bedspread clashes with the original rug. I spend a lot of time reliving my last race, wishing for my leg back, crying. I long for my own room with 4 full walls and a door that closes. I'm sick of watching TV. The bookshelf is full of mom's favorite thrillers, but I can't seem to get into any of them. I should be catching up on my homework, but it seems so overwhelming and pointless. What do I care about simplifying rational expressions? I try to hide it, but Mom knows I'm feeling trapped inside this wide open room. I say no to almost anything she suggests, so it's not her fault, it's mine. Knowing this doesn't help, though. Yes, still comes out no. She keeps me company when she can, but she's been busy running errands for my dad, plus keeping the books and doing the billing. She's the business end of Dad's handyman service, and since Dad has an aversion to paperwork, things would be completely disorganized without her. Tonight she sits with me before bed and sighs softly. Is there anything I can do for you? I shake my head. I can't seem to look her in the eye, and it makes me mad at myself. She strokes my hair. I love you, Jessica. My chin quivers. I love you too, Mom. Maybe it would help to have Kelly sleep down here with you. I'm sure she'd... No, I tell her. I'll be fine. I hate that it comes out angry. She's quiet a moment, then whispers, things will get better. I promise you, they will. I nod. But still don't believe it, even though things are better than they were. I've been to PT twice and back to see Dr. Dress once. Everyone's very impressed. They all say how great I'm doing. And I'm moving around better. My stomach still hurts, especially since I've been off the meds. But this morning, I noticed a real improvement when I went through the massive and desensitizing routines. The rough towel treatment didn't seem so rough. I found I could message harder. So, why am I so cranky? I'm sorry I'm being like this, I manage. I think I'm just tired. Remember, she says, after a moment, every day is another day closer to getting your new leg. She kisses me on the forehead and stands. You heard Dr. Wells today. He says you're healing very quickly. I nod and force a smile. I know. Then I settle in for the night while she gets the lights just right and eases out. And I do sleep for about 2 hours. Then at 11:04, I wake up really having to use the bathroom. I try to ignore it, but there's no going back to sleep. So I get out of bed and hop down the hallway, but as I near the bathroom, I hear a sound. It's soft, unfamiliar. I pass the bathroom door and continue toward the kitchen. Hop, hop, hop. I brace myself against the entry and see my mom with her head buried in her arms, weeping at the table. Hop, hop, hop. I lower myself into the chair next to her, about give her a heart attack. Jessica. She gasps, sitting up, revealing the family photo album under her arms. She tries to close it, but I take it from her, and for the first time in weeks, I see my right leg. My whole right leg. Gold shorts, royal blue singlet, 3 medals around my neck, and 2 legs. 2 strong, smooth, and furiously fast legs. She tries to pull the pictures away, but I anchor it and stare at my legs. And after a full minute of staring, I close the album and shove it to the side. I want to say something, but I can't find the words, and neither can she. All we can do is wrap our arms around each other and hold on tight.